Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set time and date on any smartwatch. So let's begin our video. First of all, you just need to find out settings. So here you can see I just going to find it. So just open settings app. Right now go at the last option, there have more settings. Select it. Right now you can find the option date and time, so select it. Right now here you can see just turn off these two option. So right now this date and time option is enabled. Just open and you can change your date from here and just select timer, and you can change the time from here, am or pm, hours, minute, everything you can change, and then select OK. So after doing, just enable these two option. At the last option you can find use 24 hours format. If you just want to enable this format, just enable it, but if you don't want, just disable it. So guys, in this way you can very easily change time and date on any smartwatch. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.